Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session we learn the array of structure in C language. So yes, first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better in my video lecture. And here Turbo C++ is there. I double click and take some process and now yes is open. So yes, here I not create new file because in my YouTube already one lecture is a array within a structure. So I open this file because that is a needed in this session. So yes, array underscore structure, that is a concept. In here we can see array within a structure. So if you not watch, I suggest you can first watch this video lecture. Here we can prepare one student mark sheet using the structure. So write a program to print student mark sheet using structure and cover the concept is a array within a structure. So first concept means that array within a structure. So here how structure of array. So that is a T subject and 1D array. So that known as a array within a structure. So now here in this session we can second means important concept and that is a array of structure. So it means array type of structure. So that is a here one student mark sheet. So yes, first I compile. Yes, there is no any error, and let us take first one student mark sheet how it's print. So yes, I give like three subject marks, and here we cannot find the class of student, first class, second class, distinction, all are this. And if you grade and one my already one lecture is in YouTube, prepare the student mark sheet in C language, so you can also watch if that is else if ladder logic is required to print the student class or grade, we can say that a plus a b plus, okay, that type of. So yes, our focus is a array within a structure in first my YouTube, and now array of structure, that is a second. Here I use both. So here you can first I explain. So here our struct keyword student and roll number, name, three subject, total, name and percentage. So here we can scan student roll number, uh, and use the flush function because here use the getS. So that some taking the buffer overflow. So flush the clear the screen means buffer is clear and our name is perfectly scanned. Otherwise taking directly subject mark that jump. So here we can flush function also use. And std in standard input, that full form. And three subject we can taking one for loop, and we can scan with index. So here print the I, that our index, and total also here in subject of I, and that total also. And then based on total we can take percentage and print that all in, that is 1D. We can also print that time we can require the for loop. Okay, so that is a one student mark sheet. And now what is a, so here that is a structure variable now taking the array type. Yes, so that concept is known as a array of structure. So that is known as the array of structure. So that is a second important concept of its structure. So how that scan and print three student mark sheet. Yes, here is a, if you declare like 10, so 10 student mark sheet. So here we can simple three student, not 10, but that take more time. Yes, now here what to do. So here that is a, we can take in the for loop. So yes, that is taking for loop. So here I equal to 0, then I less than t because there three student, and we can directly use to this. So yes, here scanning, and here is also yes, here is a x now I. So first that all memory allocation to separate every S of 0, S of 1 and S of 2 because index start with 0. So all here 2 byte is every structure member is a separate memory allocation is there. So 3 subject also there are 6 byte because there are 2 byte for integer data type. So here 3 subjects, so 6 byte is allocated. Total is 2 byte, name is we fix 20 bytes and percentage is float, so 4 byte. Right, so one student allocate this type, all you can calculate the sum, and that also taking that memory allocation. So here like 2 and 6, 6, 8, 8 plus 2, so 10, 10 plus 20, 30 and 30 plus 4, 34. One student allocation 34 bytes. So yes, so now yes, here we can also use the flush, and here also we can use the S of I. So that is scanning, and then here is a nested for loop. Yes, so here we can take some total, and then yes, so and yes, a percentage we can find, but here outside the for loop. No, here is also inside the for loop. Okay, all are here, and here now we can take the subject. Yes, that is a member, that is also, and then subject is also. Here we can take the j, some second variable, because there is two index start same time, so here j variable is required. So now that is I to j in a for loop. So here I give the j, that is also three subject every student. So yes, here we can think the j, and here is I, and here is j. Okay, so that is a, yes, let us check. And here that the subject of yes, here we can take the j, and year of I, and here also total every student of I. Yes, and then based on the percentage that of I, yes, that percentage, and then based on the total we can find the student mark sheet. Yes, total. So yes, every total we can find and divide by 3. Yes, that perfectly. So all are scanning, and now we can turn to print. So student mark sheet detail. Yes, that perfectly. But now here we cannot use this technique, means that we can first give all heading. Yes, student here in between, not print. And first we can give the roll number, then subject, three subject we have to print. So subject 1, subject 2, and subject 3 I give short, and total, and last is a percentage. Okay, and in double quotes, yes, all, and slash n is required, okay, in between. So that is a new line, and here we can, yes, so what is, so printing all are one by one. So below here, so here we can take a for loop. Yes, so I equal to 0, then I less than 3, and I plus plus, and heading is before the for loop. And now the t subject are all are this, and printing, let us take. So here I give the, and three subject heading is we have to already provide. So here we cannot provide any heading. Yes, and then print the, here we can also not print the index. Okay, so that is a disturbing, slash n slash t we have to use, and yes, so s of I, and here also we can take the j loop. Okay, so here I change the j loop, j equal to 0, j less than 3, so there is 3 subject, and then here give heading I remove just. Okay, so that is a printing. So here we can give the percentage d, so that is a subject mark. Okay, and before we can print the roll number and name, that all are removed. So just percentage d and percentage s. So yes, and here we can inside the for loop, not outside the for loop. So that is also 3 student print. So here S of I, yes, that roll number. Then S of I, that is a name, yes, and every, that is a name, and all are. So here we can provide the slash n, so all student in separate. So roll number, name, and then slash here subject is print, and then after total, so percentage e and percentage dot 2f. Okay, so total and percentage print, and then get ch. Yes, let us check any error, or that is table format we have to, that known as a table format. So yes, let us take. So yes, one here, yes, here is a, okay, so here we can what to do. So every time that also initialize to 0. Yes. So yes, here we can not s1 but s of I. Yes, that all, every total initialize 0. And now let us, one error is here. Yes, here is remaining. So here s of I dot total, that all are changed. So yes, now that perfectly. So let us take, so nesting for loop here use, and yes, there is no error. So now, yeah, in first time that directly not in table format we can get the idea, means perfectly print. So yes, let us take. So here we can also provide the slash n. So let us take. I first scan. Yes. So first students one, that name, and three subject mark of every student. So yes, that now second student. So that's 3 times for loop is repetition, and then scan. Yes, then again 3 subject mark is provided, and last is third student. So Lakshman, and then that marks. So yes, perfectly we have to print, but some, yes, last two, that name is so long, so that is a disturb to all. And we can I previously said that first time you can directly not get the perfect result, so you can provide the perfection after one by one checking. So here tab requires, so name is a, so we can testing and printing, that is happening. So in last, that total and 3 subject that combining. So yes, total and in between one gap is required. So yes, so we can, based on the our output, we can, here there are two, yes, heading, and then there are two insert. So here also slash n, and here also. So I remove this here. Okay, one is solution, and also you can take like table format. So just now we can take some table format. So what is that is lining? Yes. So look like table. Okay, so that is a printing, and now we can require the slash n. Otherwise, that is same line. And also here we can also provide that line. So I just, so yes, that is better. And here perfection, and also use this symbol, so that is a like look like table. Okay, and here we can also use this symbol, but perfectly, yes, let us take this, all are perfect. Yes, and here after also that is same line, so here also slash n is required after before. Okay, and now what to do here is a, that giving, just let us check our previous output. So name is and roll number are two very separate. So here we can provide the slash t. Okay. So let us take, and here we can already provide, and here there are two, yes, that all are, some gap is required. So here we can manually, also you can take slash t. Yes, slash t we have to provide. So let us, that is a testing, and that is a directly we cannot take to perfect output. So based on the, we can testing and print, that is checking, that is a, we can, that is table format. So yes, first student and 3 subject marks, then second student, that's Sita, and then that marks, and last that third student, and we can use short name so that all not disturbed. So like you can say that Mira is also that we can use some 2 letters. So Gita, yes, so that is perfectly. So let us take. So yes, that perfectly look. Yes, our mark sheet is a slash and tab all are. So that slash in that adding is a, so near. So all are table, and in between also you can take the line. Yes, that also possibility. So yes, and roll number is some give the pace, and percentage that symbol is near. Okay, so let us take some. Here is I think first very close. So here we can one blank. Yes, so one blank is required one that addition, and here one yes, so close I think. So that some 3 or 4 blank. Yes, now is ready. I think let us check 3 or 1 more page, and then roll number is so close. So here provide 2 blank. Yes, so that is perfect. And now I think all are well. And after yes, here I just copy this over, and here I give after for loop. So that is a table format. So slash and yes require, and that perfectly. So let us last time, because that is a only testing and printing. That is a subject. So that is a directly not perfectly in table format. So yes, Sita, by simplicity I give the 4 character name. You can, if more 5 character, then your format is changed. So you can get the text type of format. So you can give all name perfectly. Yes, look. So that is a perfect. Our sign is there, and before here we can give the this side. So also providing prefixes here also. Now all are perfect. Total and but yes, subject and total, that are third subject is a very concatenation. Yes, that is now here we can look. So all yes, last subject that total and all are combined. So here what to do? So total and subject. Yes, let us total third subject, and total is a mixing. So that is a require any pace is there? No. So here we can provide not a tab. Yes. So 1, 2, and 3. Yes, only 3 blank space. And here I give 1, and yes, only 1. Yes. And here we can prefix is a our symbol. Yes, here we can give. So here we can also provide this symbol. So yes, here. Yes, let us look our output. So let yes, and here at the last also we can provide this symbol. So also I'm not sure this perfectly print, because that is a only way to you can take testing and printing perfect table format. So directly you cannot jump as perfectly out as table format. So here we can simplicity directly not jump. Yes, so slash days is that, so all value is disturbing, otherwise that perfectly. But because we can remove the slash t in subject, so that not perfectly. Yes, so all value is not perfectly. So yes, so what to do? So here we can provide the slash t as previously, and here only one blank. Yes, that required the total and last subject is concatenation, and here we can provide the heading in gap, because let us look our, but our now not our previously output. So what is a, so I give some blank. Yes, I think that is a, but now we can adjust to this. Yes, so that is a needed. Yes, that perfect. And here also 1 or 2. Yes, that perfect. Yes, let us check. So last time I run, so that is only you can enter and testing, that is only subject. So that is our goal is achieved, 3 student mark sheet. And last in Gita only 4 character, otherwise all are disturbed. Yes, so that is perfect way, but some is not perfect way, and in between also some blank, and then all are provided. So step by step you can adjust to your value, and that is only way. So now that subject adding this perfectly, and we can provide 2 or 1 blank total after. So here is there. Yes, where here. So here one is there. So I two gap now that perfectly. So I note and also that yes here over that symbol. So here required two or gap because that closely printed, and also in between you can provide like the table. So where, so here you can initially give this value to here before the slash n. You can print this symbol, and also at the last print that symbol every time in last and first. Yes, let us check that perfectly. So that is only testing and printing, that is our subject, I say. So I'm not sure that perfectly print, but we can try. Yes, so try and testing, that is subject. So yes, so yes, so that perfectly our output is there, but all our slash is disturbed our output. So that is required to slash n before the slash n. Yes, so that is only same line. So here is a yes, after we have to slash n. So here is required. Yes. So now I not testing. You can test yourself because we cannot test over time. So our goal is perfectly achieve array within a structure. Okay, and also cover the array within a structure and array of structure. Both concept we can clear. So yes, that is a test, means that we can take two nested for loop, because here is a subject is array and array of structure, array of structure type. So that is also, now I close. Yes, so write this program to your C notebooks. So here I close this concept. So all are perfectly covered. Array within a structure and array of structure. So yes, so very simple, and we can print in table format. That is very important. So now I close and quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalai. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.